while everybody else been running their mouth and being distracted and hating, we've been over here building, man. So I'm gonna tell you guys some of the things I've been building, some of the things I'm building for you guys, and some of the things I'm building in the real world. So first and foremost, all this AI I've been learning is definitely finna come to the Printer Gang Investments channel, man. I've been developing ways to automate and streamline a lot of the work we were doing pre-AI. I've learned how to automate and streamline a lot of our research. I've learned how to use AI to help with trading decisions. I've learned how to do a lot of things. So I'm going to start bringing a lot of that technology to you guys, you know what I'm saying, in various formats, whether it be posts and YouTube videos. I'm going to start a Discord to get research to you guys thoroughly. But I want you guys' opinion on a few things. So I'm going to tell you guys what I'm working on. I want you to tell me what y'all think. So first, link in the description of this video, I got a free agent custom GPT for y'all called Mason. It's for wealth building, man. You know, I got the idea for Mason from the haters. The haters always like to run their mouths and call everybody scammers. But if you actually look at what they're talking about, they're dangerously unqualified to talk about anything they're talking about. Most of these type of people are just angry motherfuckers with a good job. So with that being said, I made a tool that could take a lot of the hate out of things, like a lot of the bitterness, a lot of the stuck in your ways, and just gets to the truth, because some things are a scam, but everything's not a scam. So with this agent, all you would do is you type in a stock. It tells you the honest opinion, the bull case and the bear case of the stock. You could show it a YouTube video, or not a YouTube video, but a screenshot or a transcript. You could show it anything, and it'll tell you is it a scam or not. It'll give you real credit advice, investment advice. You know what I'm saying? Not advice, but what's the word I'm looking for? It tells you how to plan financially and strategically. And I'm giving this one to y'all for free so y'all can check out the custom GPT technology and the agent technology. This is what we call a reasoning agent. There are multiple types of agents. I would call this more so of a reasoning agent. So I'm working on that. We're also working on a way to streamline our research, man, because research is the most important thing in the stock market. Research is the reason that we were able to call Palantir at 8 and the haters do this, because they don't do research, because they're too lazy to do research. They only research on people they don't like. So what I'm starting with is I was going to start with our core picks like Palantir. I like Microsoft. What else am I looking at? I'm looking at ServiceNow. I want to see what continues to happen with UiPath. I want to look at Micron and what's the other one? SanDisk. Not because those are my top picks, because they're running and we want to see does the bull case continue on those. So I'm going to start streamlining research, and I'm also going to bring you guys PAM eventually in a custom GPT type of experience, and I'm going to show y'all how to use that. That way you guys can actually learn how to trade, invest, look at stocks the right way. Like, this is the era of don't take my word for it, I'm going to give you the technology. Like, we done did the I called stocks on camera. We done did the I lost money, made money on camera. I done made 20, 30,000 on camera, 100,000 plus in real life. So we done did all that. But the next level of this is to let you guys experience the technology. And I feel like the new experience is we all work with the technology together. Like, because these things are going to speed us all up. They're going to speed us all up. Like, yesterday I took a futures trade. Easy futures trade. I had Pam on it. Pam gave me the level to look for the long, level to look for the short. I was warning the short. That was the A+ setup. The backup setup was the long, but in real life, boom, we went down, went to the level that we needed to go long, showed the bullishness I need, quick $200. Like, so Pam's good at that, and she's good at swing trading, investing, all that. And especially with this Trump situation going on, Trump talking these tariffs, Trump's talking about Greenland gotta sell, all that. If we have another crash like we did last April, we are going to get so much money. Like, last time we did all right, you know what I'm saying? We was buying a dip on the way down. We bought the dip all the way to the bottom, and we made money when it came back up, but we dealt with some pain. If you watch this channel, this time around, we got the agents. So we did our thing without the agents. With the agents, we're going to be a lot more precise this time. So I want you guys to, you know, check out the link in the description. Check out Mason. Tell me what you think. Tell me what type of things you would like to see to help make you guys better traders. Like, what do you guys need? Do you guys need options picks? Do you guys want investment research long term? Are you guys interested in short term, medium term? Let me know what you guys are interested in, and I'm gonna build it for you, because I done learned AI and I'm a builder now. I'm an investor, a trader, and a builder. So we can come up with ideas for new investment technology, new trading technology, and if it's not over my head, because I'm not a genius out here, you know what I'm saying, we can build it, we can test it, we can get money with it. But until next time, it's your boy Steve from Printer Gang Investments. I'm going to see y'all in the next video. Check out the agent in the description, man.